Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. The latest optional update for Windows 10, KB5007253, is now rolling out and started rolling out on the 22nd of November 2021. Now, this latest update is for Windows 10 versions 2004, 20H2, 21H1, and now is also the first optional preview update to roll out for Windows 10 version 21H2. Now, one or two things to note is that this will be the last optional preview update, also known as a C-release update, that will be rolling out for Windows 10 this year. Microsoft says that we won't be getting the optional update at the end of December next month due to the holiday season, and the optional updates will continue to roll out at the end of January next year, 2022. We will only be getting the Patch Tuesday security updates rolling out, also known as the B-release updates next month on the second Tuesday of December. And then something else to note is that Windows 10 version 2004, if you're still running that version of Windows 10, that's going to be reaching its end of support and servicing in a couple of days' time on the 14th of December. So if you haven't done so already, it is recommended that you update to the latest version of Windows 10. Now, if you'd like to see if you have this latest update, just head to your settings menu, update and security, and the update will appear under Windows Update. If you don't see it, you can just go check and seek for the update by clicking on Check for Updates. And the optional updates, which roll out near the end of every month, are bug fix updates. So I always suggest, if you are experiencing no issues or bugs, or are happy with the way your system is running, just leave the update alone. And also, a lot of the fixes will be carried over into the next month's automatic compulsory update anyway. So if you don't install it now, a lot of those fixes will be carried over to next month. Now, if you do decide to install the update and download and install the update after restarting your device to apply the update, you can find the update in View Update History under Other Updates. Cumulative Update Preview for Windows 10 version 21H2 KB5007253. Now, as mentioned, this is an optional update and a bug fix update, which carries improvements and fixes to Windows 10, and it's also a non-security update, so you're not going to find any security updates in this update. Now, just to mention a couple of those key issues that have been addressed from the release notes quickly, it updates an issue that causes some variable fonts to display incorrectly. It also updates an issue that might cause the 32-bit version of Microsoft Excel to stop working on certain devices when you export to PDF. There was an issue that was displaying letters or characters at the wrong angle when you were using vertical fonts. That has been addressed. There was also an issue that caused Internet Explorer to stop working when using the input method editor, RME for short, to insert elements. That's also been fixed in this latest update. It also updates an issue that causes the settings page to unexpectedly close after you uninstall a font. Also, an issue that turns off screen capture and recording functionalities on the Windows game bar after a service failure has been fixed and addressed. It also updates an issue that prevents the applications that you use often from appearing on the Start menu as they should. It also updates an issue that causes Internet Explorer to stop working. And then an issue I did post on a couple of days ago, which was an issue with the Microsoft installer. This update also addresses a known issue that might prevent apps such as Kaspersky apps from opening after you attempt to repair or update the apps using the Microsoft installer. And Microsoft has been quite quick to roll out a fix for that issue, which has now been addressed with KB5007253. And I did post on that just a couple of days ago. And then the servicing stack has also been updated with quality improvements like it does every month. And that's the component that installs your Windows updates. Now, also something else to note is that if you have a Windows 11 update that's pending under Windows Update, on some devices you might not see this optional update, so just be aware of that. And in that case, then you would just have to head over to the Microsoft Update catalog to download and install the update manually. And also you can do that as well by going to the getting the update in the Microsoft Update catalog. if you are having any issues installing this latest optional update through Windows Update itself. So also what I will do is I will leave a link down below to the release notes for this latest update. I've mentioned a couple of the key highlights which would be most relevant, and then all the other little quality improvements, bug fixes. There are quite a few. I will leave this down below so you can go check out more in depth if you are interested. So the latest update, KB5007253, that's the latest optional update for Windows 10, is now rolling out. And as mentioned, if you are completely happy with your operating system and have no issues, just leave the update alone. But if you are having any issues or problems with your system, then it is recommended that you update to this latest optional update. So I hope you found this video useful. Once again, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.